Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change door handle springs. I'm using the circlip pliers to remove the circlip. This is a Draper pair, but you can get all sorts of different brands. Remove that little plate, I don't know what that's called, little restrictor. And as you can see, the old spring has had it. So I've got my new spring. I find it easiest to just rotate the handle 90 degrees up the ways. Pull it down so there's tension on the spring. And then use the little restrictor plate. You set that in so that it won't let the handle go up any further, and very carefully holding it all together with one hand, place the circlip back on, and there we go. We should be good as new. Save yourself a few pound.